Hello and welcome back. So now we want to start talking about planets that are located outside of our solar system. And we want to be able to observe them with our telescope. So what are some problems with doing that? Well, the first one is going to be a resolution problem. And what this is going to do is if your telescope has bad resolution, then the image of that planet is going to be blurry. And that's going to be caused by the concept of diffraction. Now, we already talked about diffraction in a previous lesson, but the idea is that when a wave encounters an obstacle, it's going to spread out due to diffraction. And so as light from a planet goes down the barrel of our telescope, it's going to spread out due to diffraction, and then that means that the image of that planet is going to be blurry. So in that first picture there, it's a picture of Jupiter, and on the left-hand side you see Jupiter using good resolution, and then next to it you see the planet Jupiter with bad resolution, and you see how much more blurry it is. So that's one problem that we have to worry about. Another problem is going to be the glare from the parent star. So I want you to imagine car headlights on full, okay, and then imagine a firefly that is, let's say, 10 centimeters away from those headlights, and then let's say that you're located 100 meters away from the car, and then you're trying to look at the firefly. Well, it's going to be very difficult to see that firefly because of the glare of the headlights of the car. So similarly, it's going to be very difficult to see an extrasolar planet, a planet that is outside of our solar system, using just regular visible light, because the glare of that star is going to be so much greater. Now, on the other hand, though, we can use a different wavelength of light in order to observe the planet. So you'll notice that in the right-hand picture, that's a picture of the same star and the same planet using infrared. And you notice that that helps a little bit. But we're really going to use indirect methods in order to figure out properties of these planets. So we're going to use some physics and some mathematics in order to do that. All right. So the first thing we want to try to figure out is going to be how long does it take this planet to orbit its star? And we're going to do that in the next segment.